HYVA offers lightweight micro-refuse collection bodies for lightweight chassis. There are 3 capacity models: RCM03, RCM07 and RCM10. The lifter is able to lift 2 two-wheel bins or 1 four-wheel bin at once and has a unique advantage in that it can empty without any spillage. Manual loading can also be done from the side of the container. A canvas or aluminium cover system can be installed on the body to prevent any smell or dust blowing outside. Stabilizer legs are installed to support the vehicle during the tipping and discharging of the waste. The RCM03 is a perfect match with the MC Compactor tip cart configuration. The RCM07 is a closed container and can be easily driven into small roads for waste collection. The lifter is able to lift 2 two-wheel bins or 1 four-wheel bin at once and has a unique advantage in that it can empty without any spillage. The closed body has a top compaction system where the plate sweeps the waste and compacts it into the container. Stabilizer legs are installed to support the vehicle during the tipping and discharging of the waste. Empty cycle can be selected to ensure a complete discharge of the waste. The RCM07 can be a perfect match with the small transfer stations. The RCM10 lifter has a unique lifting feature in order to prevent any leakage or spillage, and the container is fully sealed, so 100% waterproof is guaranteed. RCM10 has an integrated compaction system in the container, where the compacting system compacts and at the same time pushes the ejector frontwards. Once the container is full, the compaction system is disconnected and lifted to enable the ejector to push the waste out. HYVA R-Line refuse collection body can be equipped with various lifting devices. The integrated hydraulic mechanical lifter for the 2 and 4-wheel bins is the most common one. The RCB has a reliable, strong and efficient compaction system. 2 hydraulic cylinders lift the tailgate out of the mechanical locking and open it. The ejector is controlled from the cabin or at the front of the body to push out the garbage. It has a heavy-duty wear-resistant steel scrapper at the bottom and sides. The RCM03 and RCM07 can match with the RCB to form what is called a satellite concept. A special camera helps the driver to position the RCM to the back of the RCB to discharge all waste into the tailgate. The compaction system sweeps and compacts waste into the RCB. This improves the efficiency of the logistics chain, where bulky waste is transported over long distances by large vehicles. The fully loaded RCB will move to the disposal site to eject all compacted waste once the tailgate is fully lifted. Four capacity RCB models are available, and container sizes vary from 6 to 24 cubic meters. Different loading methods can be applied for various bins, skips, or match with the small collector vehicles. HYVA round-shape MC compactor delivers high compaction, less noise, and low energy consumption. It can be transported by a HYVA hook loader vehicle. The tip cart makes it easy for manual loading, which can also be done through a side door. Two two-wheeled and one four-wheel bin can be lifted at a time and then emptied into the compactor. The RCM07 can match perfectly with a portable compactor or a top-loading MC compactor. A special cover keeps any dust from blowing out during discharging. HYVA offers the static compactor for large transfer stations, where more than 2,000 tons is handled per day. The station is built on 2 floors, and the compactor machines are installed at the ground level. All the equipment, the entire station, is monitored and controlled from the control room. The fully loaded containers are automatically replaced by empty containers to ensure a continuous flow of waste. A weighing bridge is installed to measure both the vehicles that deliver waste and the hook loader vehicles that transport the containers to the waste-to-energy plant. A ramp takes the collection vehicles to the second floor, where a traffic control system indicates the available disposal bunkers. Automatic doors are installed for quick disposal of the collection vehicle. A push pit is installed to move the waste into the compactor chamber from where it is pushed and compacted into the large containers. The hook loader vehicle picks up the container and takes it to the incinerator where the waste is disposed for further treatment. A smart transfer concept is essential when a large amount of waste is to be transported over long distances. Another solution of HYVA is the kitchen waste collector to collect food waste containing a lot of liquids. A side lifter is installed to lift the two-wheel bins and dispose it into the top of the collection tank. A swing blade is installed to push the residues into the container. A hydraulic opening tailgate is installed at the back and equipped with an Omega seal to ensure there's no leakage or spillage. A camera system is installed to monitor the operation when loading the bin onto the lifter. The top cover opens by a hydraulic cylinder and is fully sealed to prevent smell coming out. The bin lifter lifts the bin and empties it into the compaction chamber. Once the vehicle is loaded, it drives to the plant where the food waste will be treated further. The entire structure tips to ensure that all liquid and waste is discharged from the container. HYVA also offers a new bin cleaning system. The system can lift two empty two-wheel bins inside the compartment, which is then sealed to avoid any water splashing out. The 360-degree rotating nozzles clean the bins inside, while other nozzles clean the outside. The standard cycle time takes around 1 minute and longer cycles are also available. A high-pressure water lens with an extension hose is installed at the back of the system. This is used for manual cleaning if that is required. HYVA offers a wide range of refuse collection bodies, compactors, hook loaders, and cranes to deliver a smart logistics solution for the collection, transfer, and transport of waste. Fewer driving miles deliver cost and environmental savings.